Concordia's secure online platform is called COL for Concordia Online Exams. COL may be used for both midterms and finals. To enter COL, use the Chrome browser to navigate to col.concordia.ca. Log in with your regular Concordia University login credentials. When you log in, you're taken to your exam dashboard page. There, you'll see all the exams to which you have already received access. It will only be possible to start an exam attempt at the scheduled start time. You will have access to practice exams. You can use them to become familiar with the exam environment and try out different question types. It is up to your instructor which question types will be used: multiple choice, short answer, essay, or a combination of these.